everyone, and today I want to do some review tub from two-person and look at how you can install and if you can install in your house, because this tub, they're so big, master bathroom on second floor, and we cannot move to stairs. We have to use balcony, and make sure you can lift it up on second floor when you buy this tub. And second, more important, we try to configure out where install faucet, and we spend a lot of time from that. And you have just one location. It's where's your, because this is your seat here, and this is your legs. It's have to be somewhere legs location, this side or another person. And you cannot install on the bottom. Many tub you can install on the bottom somewhere, but from this tub you cannot install on the bottom. You have make some border around and install on this border, and make sure you have enough long spout for your tub. It's few things what we have problem with this tub when trying to install. I hope it's helped you if you look at this tub and want to install in your house. I like it, it's really good tub, but really hard to install. Thank you, see you next video.